Hi friends, welcome back to Subu's Cafe. Today I am going to show you a special chicken preparation without using onions. It's a Middle Eastern preparation with semi-thick gravy. So please do watch the complete video and enjoy the recipe. If you are watching my channel Subu's Cafe for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So let's start. I hope you like this unique chicken recipe. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and family and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching Subu's Cafe, where happiness is homemade.